Okay, fuel pump on, out of gear, couple of pumps, warm the engine up because we've got no choke. Right, here we are, back at base. We have a failure sheet. Nothing too serious. Direction indicator near side rear not working. Checked that the other day. It stopped on the way to Denby. Windscreen wiper does not clear windscreen effectively on the near side. Yeah, shit windscreen wiper blades. Windscreen washer provides insufficient liquid. Yeah, I need to put a pin down the washer jet to clear that out on the driver's side. Wheel bearing excessive play near side and offside. Wheel bearings have bedded in a bit and could probably do with a nip up. It's not too bad. The suspension arm bushes need nipping up. Rear brake hose excessively twisted near side front. Oh, brake hose excessively twisted front, fouling on front road wheel on lock. So I probably need to restrict the lock on it because I had trouble with the IVA getting it on full lock without the brake hoses catching on the wheel rims on full lock, and it's the same on the other side. So yeah, I need to wind them lock stops in and reduce the turning circle slightly. Parking brake inoperative near side, AK problems. AKs are renowned for having poor parking brakes and really hard to set them up. I was hoping this one would be different because this one's got the new modified route that they run the brake cable on, and no, I've got the same problem as anybody else. You can't get enough pressure on the handbrake to pass the test. And again, that was an IVA issue I had where you had to swing on the handbrake lever to get it to work. So I've got to take the back wheels off and reassemble the rear and take the driver's seat out and readjust the cables at the top. So I was hoping I wouldn't have to do, because I never use a sodding handbrake. It's not been used, it's just, there you go. Right, yeah, that's it. So a few adjustments to do. Nip up the wheel bearings, change the bulb on the indicator, and restrict the steering lock, and we'll be good to go. I'll have it done by the end of the week. Keep me out of trouble. So if you're enjoying this, like and subscribe. You know the score. See you next time. Hey, gives me someone else to film for you lot as well, doesn't it? Getting it through the MOT, fixing all the little problems. Can't wait. The big worry as well, the emissions. I forgot to mention the emissions. That was my big worry, that this engine that I've spent hundreds of hours building, and it's my dream engine to go in, a 6.3 litre V8 stroker engine, was on a carburettor without cats in the exhaust pipe, was gonna fail its emissions test, and that's what I've been building the whole car towards, and it passed its emissions. So I got a green light on the emissions, and that was my big concern. Everything else would have been a total waste of time if that would have failed the emissions. So that's big thumbs up, big result. Happy camper. Great drive back as well. Love that road.